How to change name on tickets on Air Transat. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can change name on tickets on Air Transat, and this is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your Air Transat account, just like I've done here. And then once you've done that, scroll down to the part where you can see some options such as flight, package, car, or flight status, manage my booking. So click on manage my booking, and then you'll be taken to the booking page. Once you're on this page, you can see the different options that you can carry out on the booking page, which includes option plus, seat selection, modification and cancellation, which is our focus. So the next step will be for you to scroll down, enter in the names that are on your flights, your first name, last name, confirmation number, the departure date, then click on continue. Once you've done that, you'll be taken to your flight details page. Once you're on your flight details page, locate the option for you to change the name on your ticket. It will be found there. Click on name change, then enter the correct name as it appears on your government issued ID. Then after entering the correct name, review and confirm your changes, and then the name on your ticket would be changed immediately without a fee. It is that simple. All right, so just find your way to manage my booking page, then enter in the required details, click on continue on the flight details page, click on name change, and you are good to go. So have a nice trip. Bye bye.